today we're going to install a 2017 Toyota Alphard or Alphard, whatever you call it. It's a 13-inch vertical screen unit. So let's start taking off the trims here in the car. First you have to do is take these two trims off on either side of the console here. You just need one of this panel removal tool. And similar one on the other side. The next thing we're gonna do is take this trim off here. Right, so we're gonna take this air vents off here, which are just held by clips. So you just have to put a little bit of force when you're taking them out. So the next you see here is 4 10mm screws on all corners of the unit. So it's just held by clips, and when you take it out, and the few plugs that you have to remove. Alright guys, to take the climate controller out, just have to pull it towards you. There's one plug that you have to take it out. That's it. And these are a few cables that you get in the package. So this is the main power harness, and these are a couple of USBs, and these are the RCAs, and a microphone, a GPS, and at last the HDMI cable. So let's have a look how to plug these guys in. Alrighty, so the power cables, you just have to plug them into the factory plugs. On the other end of it goes to our unit here. It just plugs in there, and I've connected all the RCAs and the antennas, radio antenna, which you got in the package. It just straight away plugs in. Alright, so once you made sure everything you need to install is plugged in, we can put the unit in. Make sure you hear the click sound. At last, these two trims that we took them off from, back into place. Alright guys, now it's time to power the unit on and check everything.